feel the fun.
So, folks, recently recording artists Jahmiel and Vershon have called a truce with their musical dispute. Now, the two have even worked on a project which is set to be released later this year. They join us now. Welcome, Jahmiel. Welcome, Vershon.
Wagwan.
Morning, Neblan. Morning, Simone.
Yeah, man. All is well, my brother. Yeah, man. And I'm being serious here. I did not know that you guys had a feud in the first place. So let me start with Vershon. What caused this feud, if it was?
I mean, it was just a musical thing, man. Nothing serious. I just people take it out of hand. So maybe that's why you never hear about it.
All right, so tell me how it started. Just tell me, just give me a little thing, what went on, why it started, and what you said and what Jahmiel said and stuff like that.
And here what happened. You see, true, we used to link with Popcorn and Jahmiel used to link with Movado, or maybe him still a link with Movado. And you know, the Popcorn and the Movado feud, but it always feel like Jahmiel in the kind of distance, because I see my whole heap of time, and I don't know it. It's like the energy never did that connect. As two youth, we are sing positive music, so it always feel like a vibe the dead. So I say, all right, then I go share them in one song and see if him going to take it up and maybe make a diss track or maybe share me back in our song so I know exactly which part will stand. So I really write this everything start.
All right, so all right, him tell me the first part, Jahmiel, continue the story.
Well, at the end of the day, I hear him show shade in a song and I defend myself. But I mean, in the initial stage, I never have nothing against him still. I'm more like Jahmiel is alone still, you know, I'm always in my own lane and just do my thing. So people probably just misinterpret my movements, you know, but it has never had nothing to do with that still. But that's how it go.
Yeah. Vershon in a very serious way. Is this not good? For, I mean, you don't want to cuss off each other and stuff, but a little back and forth, no kind of good for the music. And this has been going on for a long time from Prince Boston, Delroy Morgan days, they throw words at each other. Is this good for you?
Good for sure, versatility. Because you know, people always compare Vershon and Jahmiel based on the music, the type of music what we do. So it good is just when it get personal, I really that the people them not like. But as I said before, it's nothing personal between me and Jahmiel. It was always about me.
Yep. And who reached out to who to say, make we stop this, make we do what we do? Who reached out?
You know, say Jahmiel.
Me make the move first, you know. Because you know, last year in 2020, I kind of have a awakening experience, kind of, you know, make me have, different views about like it brought me closer to God, and you know, I just go over evil. And one day I drive and the spirit just tell me say, you know, say I'm Vershon for good, and I just reach out to him via Instagram, and him reach out same time. I would just fix things and send him across a demo, him do him thing, and you know, I look forward to releasing that song.
Yeah, you can tell me what was the reason you decided that you have an awakening? What happened? Can you share that?
You know, honestly, at first I talk from them time about, and I really something I want to go in right now because I feel like I'm going in a lot, and I kind of move forward from that now still. But
no problem, and that's great. All right, tell me about the collab now, Vershon. What you guys have done, or you can't share that yet?
I mean, we can. It really up to Jahmiel still because
yeah, of course. So I'm gonna record a good song that's gonna be produced by my new management team, Sweet Music Production. You know, it's a single. And you know, up to yesterday, I listened to it like I know say it go be with the way still, you see me? Like the fans them. I feel like a long time the fans them hear Vershon in that way on that track here, and me also. So yeah. I'm gonna enjoy it.
Vershon, how tough was the year? I know you guys didn't do much, if anything at all. You didn't travel, if any time at all. How tough was it for you, Vershon?
2020.
Yeah.
It was alright, you know. I mean, I managed, and I came over into 2021, so it was alright for me.
Yeah, Jahmiel, what about you?
Yeah, I mean, it was the same for me, you know. I said we still have a lot to give thanks for because you know we have a fan base and people still support music, and you know, me and Vershon will also produce our own music, so we still again from that. So I don't know.
Okay, what's next, Vershon? What's gonna be happening with you?
I have an EP out today called Only One, produced by the Fanatics. It's a 6-track EP. Collab there with Busy Signal, Chip YC is from Nigeria, and it's under the label Warner Music, so the fans can go and check that out.
Yeah, and Jahmiel, what about you?
Big move. Right now I'm about to work on a new album that's going to be produced by my new management team, Sweet Music. So yeah, man, the fans can look forward to that later this year.
Yeah.
So,
You can
which
give me,
it's actually going to be my second album.
yeah. You can give me anything of what you put together. You can do anything. No, give me like a 30 seconds. You can do that.
It's a version.
Listen, man, make the people them get that one as a surprise. They don't need to
Yeah,
come.
man. Yeah, man. That's
Yeah.
some see it too.
No, hold on. I'm here run the interview and I'm telling you for do something I want to not do. You know, when I bother me still, you know, man. I want to man. Sure.
You can't give her the big. Remember, everybody I wait for Vershon and Jahmiel with that song.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
make it hit them.
Well, as I
Hit
said,
them as a surprise.
I didn't know what the problem was, but I am happy that there is no problem now because we need to concentrate on the uplifting music and stuff. So,
And as artists who are role models, and when people see we live a certain way, you don't know. It
Yeah.
influence them, so I could just do the right thing, you know?
yeah, man, and I really appreciate that. Good to see you both. And I look forward to hearing the collab, and I look forward to hearing the EP and things going on. So, two of you stay safe and look after yourselves, all right?
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Yeah,
Maximum
man.
respect.
And send the music, yes, sir?
Definitely.
Vershon and Jahmiel, recording artists. As I said, ending their musical feud. Didn't know there was one, but that's good news. After this break, we speak with a young man who has moved from poverty and is now nourishing your minds, young minds. So stay with us, please. Soon come. I think he's the man who said Mohammed Job, you know. So, once you see me, do it.